Hello, good day viewers. While dealing with an inequality, we have learned that the direction of the inequality always change if and only if a negative number is used to multiply or divide both sides of the inequality. So in this tutorial, we want to prove that using a numerical value. And we have a number line here for reference. This is exactly what we mean. If you have a number A, if this number A is less than B, if you multiply both sides by a negative value, for instance, -1, so let's do that and see. Suppose we want to multiply this by -1, so this times -1 will give us negative A. This times -1 will give us negative B. So the direction of the inequality will always change if this happens. So it will be greater than instead of less than. So if A is less than B, definitely negative A will be greater than negative B. So let us use numbers on the number line to prove whether this statement is true. And you should know that numbers on the right hand side are always greater than numbers to the left hand side. So any number you picked at random, for example 3, is always greater than any number here before it. 2, 1, 0, and so on. So let me take two numbers here at random. Let me pick -1 and 3. So this -1 is definitely less than 3, no doubt about it, because even from the number line you can see that. What if we multiply both sides of this inequality by -1? This times -1 will become +1. This times -1 will become -3. So which one is greater than here? You can clearly see that we have 1 here and we have -3 here, and I told you numbers to the right are greater than numbers to the left. Therefore 1 here is greater than -3. Can you see the direction of the inequality has changed from less than type to the greater than type? This is all true for every number, two numbers you pick to compare. Let us pick other two numbers. For example, let me check negative numbers, -2, -5. This -5 is less than this -2. What if we multiply both sides by negative number? This will become +5. This will become +2, right? But which one is greater than? 5 is definitely greater than 2. Can you see that? The direction of the inequality will surely change. And this is true for every two numbers you pick at random to compare. Let me do one more. Suppose we want to take this -2 here, -2. We know that it is less than 1, right? But what if we multiply both sides by -2, for example, -2. -2. -2 times -2 will give us +4. And 1 times -2 will give us -2. But which one is greater? Definitely 4 is greater than -2. So you can see that the direction of the inequality will change. Let me use division sign and see whether this statement is true. For example, let me pick -4 here. -4, we know that it is less than +2. But what if we divide this by, let me do it like this, divide it by -2. -4 divided by -2 will give us +2. And this divided by this will give us -1. But which one is greater? 2 is greater, definitely. Can you see that? So this is true for all numbers. Whenever you multiply or divide both sides of an inequality by a negative number, the direction of the inequality will surely change. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. Bye-bye.